I got friends in New York City.
Tayo po ay narito ngayon upang saksihan hindi ang simula kundi pagpapatuloy lamang po ng kanilang walang hanggang pangako na pagsasama at pag-ibig sa isa't isa habang buhay.
Hindi halata. Siya yung ate ko. Ba't iniiyak? Little sister pero hindi mo ang little.
I promise to always be real to you, even if it hurts. To love myself and love you just enough. Help you reach high places you can't reach. Open, easy, open cans. Carry not so heavy things. These may be simple things, but these little things make a lot of difference.
Oh, you read up your Going westward in my car.
Hi, Bes. First time ko siyang tawagin in person ng Bes. Bes kami pag mag-text lang. Pero huy lang kami pag in person. So, hi, Bes. This is it.
Don't let them think you got that far. Oh, we will always stand.
Pwede mo nang hagkan ang iyong Arion, tinatanggap mo ba ang babaeng ito upang maging asawa, mamuhay na magkasama ayon sa itinakda ng banal na matrimonyo? Siya ba ay iyong iibigin, aaliwin, igagalang at iingatan sa sakit at kalusugan at tanging sa kanya lamang pitisan habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay?
Yes, Father.
Hello, Lord. Thank you for this day. Thank you for giving us this wonderful place. Thank you for giving me Arion, this relationship that we have for each other. Thank you for giving it to us all throughout these years. You've been there for us. Kanina na binipray mo nga ako dun, parang na on the spot ako. So, emotional ako kapag nag-pray. So, hindi ako sanay nang may nakarinig or ano. So, naiiyak na ako. So, ganun ba lang?
Marriage is anticipated to be an everlasting union made by God between man and woman. Everlasting union. Ibig sabihin, Arion, pagkatapos nito, habang buhay na yun.
Verbs, fibs, little girl, girl na maliit. I've been calling you different names simula nung naging close tayo, not so long ago.
Haba-haba pa to.
Kasi para sa'yo, hindi lang to achievement, way din to ni God, kaya gusto mo to. Gusto niya to pareho ni Ate PB.
Binigyan po tayo ng magandang panahon, gaya po ng meron tayo ngayon. Masasaksihan po natin yung isa sa pinakamagandang pangyayari sa buhay ni PB at ni Arion.
Maging maganda ang relasyon nyo sa isa't isa. Napakabait ninyo pareho na maunawain kayo sa inyong mga magulang, kaya pagpapalain kayo ng Diyos. Hindi kayo pababayaan.
Ano sasabi mo? Maganda. Kasi kumain kami ka na.
Hindi ko bibitawan ang iyong mga kamay hanggang ang
Oh, sana. Oh, ano? Lagi kayong magkasama, masaya, saka huwag mag-aaway.
Wala nang matanaw, mahal kundi
PB, tinatanggap mo ba ang lalaking ito upang maging asawa, mamuhay na magkasama ayon sa itinakda ng banal na matrimonyo? Siya ba ay iyong iibigin, aaliwin at igagalang at iingatan sa sakit at kalusugan at tanging sa kanya lamang pipisan habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay?
Yes, Father. The most selfless person I know, who is also good at almost everything, except color and directions. I want you to know that you deserve every good thing in this life and more. And it's okay to sometimes put your own happiness before everyone else. I will take you to more places, eat foods we've never tried before, meet new people, and learn different cultures. But most importantly, I will always keep God in the center of our new relationship and in every decision we will make from this day onward.
Wala nang matanaw, mahal kundi ikaw.